What's up, you guys? If you're going to be towing a trailer with your Chevy Silverado, you got to have trailer wiring installed on the vehicle. It's required by law. Good thing about the Silverado is that the vehicle manufacturer has pre-wired this for towing. They even put a nice little cutout here in the bumper to put your wiring and bracketing here, and it'll just stay right in this cutout here. So I'll show you how easy it is to remove this. We're just going to take a flathead screwdriver, get on the back end of this, push the prongs in, and then just pull out. And as I'm pulling this out, you can see that the tow harness is attached to this dummy clip here. And to remove it from there, we're going to flip this around and I'll show you the clips here. So basically this white clip here comes straight off. Just like that, and we'll discard that. We're going to press this button down. It should slide right out, just like that. And then we're going to take our aftermarket plug, and you can see it matches our plug, the vehicle plug here. Plugs right in and clips right in. And now you're powered for towing. Now we just need to push it back into place and it'll clip right in. Now that we've got it lined up, I'm gonna go ahead and just push, and it clips right into place. And now you have your 7-way and 4 flat right down to the bottom here. And you're ready to tow. And thank you for watching our wiring video on the Chevy Silverado. Have fun, be safe.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.